3, 2, 1. Take it away.
Wafethu olunye usuku namhlanje sihleli lapho etafuleni lodumo bafowethu eGottman lami liqedwe usenzela umlambo olibiza ngetafula lodumo leli tafula esihlezi eduze kwalo. So from now on guys, uma uza la ku Soto Podcast uza etafuleni lodumo. Ngaloko ngithi bafowethu igama lami uSipho Hadebe senazi ngaso lesi sikhathi bafowethu. So guys, yeah, no, this is very interesting. Itafula lodumo. I like it. Gottman, ngicela usitshele ukuthi kufanele usivakashele usiphatheleni, but before you get into that ngicela usazi ukuthi aba-viewers bethu bazokwazi into engayisho ukuthi from now on mina nawe sesizoba famous, angazi ukuthi already eDubai bazokwazi, eChina bazokwazi, eHong Kong, eCanada, eAmerica uDonald Trump uyakubukela khona manje. Yeah, ngicela ukuthi sazise ke Gottman ukuthi igama ubani, isibongo nokuthi uphuma nokuthi uphila kanjani nokuthi uphila nabo bani.
Oh yes, igama nguMishak Jabo okaDlamini. Ngiphuma eThembisa originally, but ngila eSoweto White City okwamanje. Ngineminyakanyana efew ngila eSoweto.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm relocating ngizohlala this side.
Hey siba likhulu, hey bold man. Wakhetha iSoweto vele.
Yeah, no, I Castle cool. That's Mzansi.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I understand. Castle cool. That's Mzansi. So yeah, ngitholakala eWhite City. Ngumuntu nje uziphilela nabantu but nothing much. Yeah, ngiziphilela nje life yami. Ezubona I'm a disabled person.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngiya help khona. Yeah. Nje bayazi wathi.
Bayazi.
Bayazi. Rockville bayazi.
Rockville. Yeah, emakasana, yeah, ngiphethe siba likhulu mfana. Yeah, don't you go anywhere. Yeah. Jamala macham. Athi singena odabeni soze ukuthi namhlanje usiphatheleni.
Yebo. Yeah. Story samba kanjena ke bol. Ukufika kwami la eWhite City. Ngisho ngisicala ukufika eWhite City, but angifikela ngeWhite City. Ukufika kwami la eWhite City ngafikela ema-1 nebhuda. Yeah. Ngabloma ngakhasha nelinye sister ne ebengizwana nayo. Sasihlalela kwabamnandi, sangibe ne-stress ne. Indawo isharp, yonke into ku right. Suppose. After a few months, izinto zajika but. Izinto zajika uthe ngelinye ilanga kwaba nento enzakalayo ngamasa ekuseni too much eminyango wami like kule room engikhashe kulo. It was like kunabantu abenza something like bashisa something and then bayiphushela kule room lami yabona, and bayakhuluma but abakhuluma ukuthi ubeze ukuthi bathi yabona, but ngiyeza ukuthi kunesimoko esingenayo esingekho right yabo. Indaba khona iphele ngithi ngizama ukuvusa umele makavuka, ngathi mshayile la yini ngizama ukumvusa kavuka angamya ngathi sengiyobona ekseni. Azange salala that night, and then until ekseni ngithi kuye kunento benzakala ebusuku. I can't believe khona into benzakala ebusuku and it's not right. Angayikholwa le yini. Ngithi mina ngicela ukuthi ungisize ngivuke ngifuna ukujika somewhere. I insist ukuthi ngivale. And mina I can feel good ukuthi no, angisekho right kwamina. Uyabo? Angisekho right kwamina. Ngimzame until azangivusa. Makangivusa sika realize ukuthi ngathi angikho sharp ekhanda yabo. Angikho nami ngiyazizwa ukuthi angikho grand. Angishaya wheelchair yami ngishone kubo. Mangifika kubo ngithi kunento enzakala ebusuku lapho. and usisters mangimtshela akangikholwa le ndawo sikuyo ayikho sharp yabo ayikho sharp ngicela nomlanda ngitshela i-ori lakhe nabo bhuti bakhe ngithi ngicela nomlanda le ndawo sikuyo ayikho right bamfonela mabamfonela athi hayi kunalutho I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoJabu yabona akunalutho but nami ngimbonile ukuthi ngathi akekho right azwakala usisters vela ngithole lapha ekubo ngihleli la bayithathe lightly this thing ngathi vele into engekho like sihlale the whole day but ngithi mina ngibuyele lapha ngiyolala angforced sisters angforced time man akuna izinto ezinjalo lapho sibuyele eromeni siyesikile kanti sizobuya kwamambela asalala ebusuku pha it's like a dream but in reality bathumela umunye ucherry ugcobe iroko lomshado ufuna ngimshade uvane impelisi
impilisi
ya zakhe sekusele mina umkhwenyana ngithi mina ngiright nangimele eduze kwa yabo and noma ngimvusa still futhi again akakhoni akavuki ngikhuluma nalo chair lo ngithunyelwe yona le chair ufuna ngimthrow ezabuya but
mana ke Dlem
yeah
lento nje yenzeka ngobani isikhathi and yenzeka uphakathi lomuntu erumini noma ungaphandle
yenzeka phakathi kobusuku uphakathi lo muntu
ungqongqozeli wamvulela
cha nami ngimboniseka lapho ngimboniseka la nalabantu bakhe into ezala it's like ngathi uyaphupha ativara into enzakalayo kuba ngathi uyaphupha but into enzakalayo yena ngigcine vele ngimhlulile bhuti wahamba yabo wahamba ngakusasa wabuya futhi ebusuku ubuya sekabuya nentwana yami khona intwana etime lami lasibona ngike ngahlala nayo kancane ngala ubuya sekabuya nentwana yami intwana yami izongiconvince ukuthi Grootberg mina ngitheshanga ngenzanga nix ngiphethe 49,000 ebank engiyithole nje siyaphila ngayi joy anga insist but ayingala but ngahala it's like uthengisela isithombe yabo mina ngibona ukuthi intwana yami le kodwa kusintwana yami basebenzisa that image yentwana yami ukuthi intwana yami yiyo kumele ngiconvince I still ngala but kanti angibuzange elangeni kwasa futhi again savana medem sayima shop sabuya and then saya kubo sabloma the whole day sabuya later la esibuye khona kwamambela ke but kunamajita ayafika ebusuku amajita engwazi omunye uhlala eLakeview omunye uhlala khona lapha eRockville lo oseRockville umuntu bengiphila naye close waseLakeview ngiyamazi nje umjita yabo sigcina ngikhuntana yabo i-out nje sigcina ngikhuntana ku-Grand ngena bona ekamereni ebusuku mabangena bathena ilight libe blue it's like ngathi befuna ukungidaka ukuthi ngilale yabo asange kwenzeke lo Bangiba-confront-a bayabaleka. Bavele banyamalale futhi. Uthi lokho sowukhoshiwe, ubone futhi nawe sebamile. Uyangithola? Mara mawubhekana nabo straight, bayanyamalala. And labantu benzani? Bangena emnyango, abawuvuli nokuvula umnyango. Kuvele ukuthi seyangaphakathi. Straight emnyango. Yinto enzakele at that night. And then kuseke futhi again. Nabo bafuna ngijoin amajini. Bathi join ngayi-secret. Angala futhi. Ngala. Usilanga la kusasa futhi. Zithi ntambama. Mostly ngigibela umbhedo ngabo 8. Isikhathi sokulala sami leso. Noma ngalali but ngigibela ngo-8. Ngirelax nje. So ngigibela umbhedo on that day. Unganakanga nix kwavele kunye ukushisa okukhulu kakhulu. Kwashisa. And kushisa kanje ngaphandle liyakhiza yabo. Liyakhiza la ngaphandle kancane, shaka kancane. Ewashisa ekamereni kakhulu. And angizwani nokushisa since ngalimala. Ibhodi yami ayifuni heat that much. Ngiba nenkinga. Yabo. Kwashisa kakhulu ngacela madam, ngicela ungi-assist ngivuke. Angeke angikho right. Akusakhona nokuphefumula. Bathe hayi kunaniksi ngithi ngiyafa. Hayi nawe bond lento serious wangifusa. Ngibele wheelchair. Ngihamba ngohlala ngaphandle. Mangiphuma eroomini. Kunendlu ephambi kwethu kanje. Engapha esayidini. Ngasemaroomini. Idladla lihlala umuntu sister nayo ichashile la. Nende sibane hlala la ama stand ngayi thina ama room la imo. So mangiphuma lapha futhi ngibona 3 boys. 3 boys ama under 10. Angazi noma ngi-understand.
Under 10.
Babiza ama under 10.
Short boys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngibona ama under 10 ayi-3. Hayi ingqondo yami ithi bangeke. Nifuna. Mangibalanda. Bajikele kulela dlala. Mangifike khoneni abasekho these people. Banyamalala. Angishayo lo nyuvalo but ngibona hayi yabona lazi yabuya la. La kanyiwa. La akusekho right. Ngifuna ukuphuma ni ukuthi ngiphume ejardini. Ngizama ukubaleka. Ngiyabona la ejardini akusekho right. But mangithi ngiyophuma, mangifike egedini ngithola izintwana ezifuse phethe igun. Zithi akunamuntu ophumayo. Abantu bayikhanda magic but ubone ngathi into ikhona ingekho. Can you imagine kulokhiwe ama-gate but kunamajita amelapha aphethe ibhamu. Akunamuntu ophumayo. Bafethu angikho grand ngicela ukuphuma. Ngiyohlala lapha esihlahleni just ngishaya umoya ngiyabuya. Angithi nami sengiyabona ukuthi vele angithi kuthakethwe mina. Mina ngifuna ukuzibona ngale kwegate and then ngiyamalala. Angahluleka but le ntwana zangu and lapha kunamagate ayi-2. Negate ngapha, negate ngapha makhulu ayi-2. Ngithi ngiyozama kulela gate elingale. Ngithola abanye futhi. Same thing bathi abuyele emuva. Ngabloma lapha ejardini. Ngiblomile ngibheke emaroomini kahle. After before ungene emaroomini uthi ngibona inyoka ezi-3 ezinkulu sihleli la. Like mangihleli kanje zihleli lapha. 3 einyoka ezinkulu. Ngahlala azange bene ndaba nazo yabo. Nginake lokhu mina okungihluphayo but azange bene ndaba nazo. Then usister makaphuma lapha eroomini makeza kanje azongibuza ukuthi ngiseseshapha ziyanyamalala uma eza kanje. makavaya ziyabonakala futhi izinto ezibonwa yimi kuphela yabo izinto ezibonwa yimi kuphela sambe isikhathi kube late mina ngitshela ukuthi angithi ngizwa ngisasha ngibhuti azwakale late athi sekulate ngicela uzolala ayisivayo iseromini masiya lapha ngibheka le nyoka masondela ziyanyamalala sidlule siye eromini eromini ufike ngigodole kakhulu ke manje sekwenye into temperature change sengiyagodola futhi ngithi kuye ngicela ungishayele icup lecoffee before ngigibele alishaye vele angiphuze ngicede mangiceda mangithi ngigibele umbhedo akugibeleki normally mangigibele umbhedo ngisebenzisa i-transferring board ngibeka lento ngikhona ukuzitransfera ngayo ngempedeni but le transferring board inama gaps la phakathi like imimbobonyana yabo it's like 1 2 3
yeah
the transferring board so angithi ihlele kanje empedeni but mangibheka kule mbobo kunenyoka ngaphansi mangibheka serious iyanyamalala mangithi ngifuna ukugibela kunento engibambile angikhoni totally like yabona mawuboshiwe ungakhona nokunyakaza mangithi ngiyagibela akugibeleki anginamandla angikhoni nokumove ay azama umedem angislide bambe ngebro la emuva angislide ngiwele embedweni yabo okay wela kwami embedweni ngikhumule then sigidle salala ke bhuti the later nyana nayi le nyoka le nyoka lena bhuti ifuna ukungena emuva ne uma ngimtshela uthi no asithandazi then isithandazi inyamalala sithi lokho masisithulile ngathi kubanjwa isithongwane ibuye futhi ibuye le nyoka manje seyalwa ke kwempela bhuti mangithi ngilwa nayo ngapha kuba nenye efike imela inyoka sekunale kunale leya ifuna ukungena lena imile and in the meantime bangibonisa isithombe sabantu abashaywe le nyoka bonke bashayeke la like abantu abafile laba babalahlele like emgodini kanje yabo bashawe ile nyoka bonke la nakimi nayi imile manje kuthi nami ngiyalapha ngizonaka yipi bhuti le noma le engishaya kose nginake le engishaya eventually yagcina ingena le yabo ay yaba into ngathi into engekho ukwabona yaba ngathi into engekho umqondo uyalahleka like ngathi akwenzakala ngani ngilale kuseni siyavuka kunormal ku right yabo ku right akunankinga isaphila hamba amalanga hamba amaviki zihamba inyanga hayi kuye bhuti and then umede mhluka abuyele kubo ne sengibloma ngi1 then sengikhashe nje umuntu ongiassistayo yabo hayi ngihlale phile angina nix right angina problem phile ngibe right buti ngisuke lapha ema1 hambe ngihlala ema7 kula lento ibuye khona ke izoziveza ukuthi konje uyakhumbula lela langa bekwenzakalani sesilana ke namhlanje ema-7 ngahlala kwathi ngelinye ilanga ebusuku ngizwa la kuyabanda, yabo, ngilele kuyabanda la, mangithi bite inyoka again, ngiyiphushe kanje inyamalala. Lento ziyanyamalala bro, inyamalala gone, azange salala until ekuseni. Umama ongi-assistayo, umama ngihamba uyongi-assistayo, makafika ekuseni uyangi-assista, ngiyavuka ngiba right, ngithi angifuni ukumxoxela nisi, mangamxoxela ngizomthusa, uzosebenza kabuhlungu, yabo. Angibe normal nje ngathi akunaniksi. Hayi masekashayisa athi hayi sengiyahamba, ngithi hayi awuthi ngiphume nawe mama, ngizokukhapha nje kancane. Sithe masiphuma sakhuphuka, athi mama khona bengifuna ukukutshela yona, kwenzakala 1 2 3 and then mina kuyandla ngisabuyile. Ngihamba nawe uzobona iplan ukuthi ngiyolalaphi. You understand? Umama uqashile naye unehontshinyana lakhe lincanyana, yabo. Ngithi hayi sominyezelana kuwo lo mkhukhu, mina ngibuyele lapha. Ngisuka le ngihlushwa inyoka nalana inyoka futhi. Mina ngibuyele lapha. Umama abona ngathi ngiyadlala, ngathi joke like, mama ngiserious, ngizolala eceleni komkhukhu wakho today until ekuseni, kodwa mina lapha ngibuyele. Wazi wabona hayi lento serious. Then ma-olile angifunele i-room bule, ukuthi ngithole elinye i-room khona ngale. Sifuna i-room kanje, nemali ye-rent anginayo, angithi ngibhadalile ngayo. Imali ye-rent anginayo, sengifuna indawo yokuhlala. Lucky enough ma-olile ahambe nengcosi yakhe balithole, bafike bamchazele uMastende kanje nakanje nakanje. Lo muntu lona uzokhona ukubhadala idouble end of the month if ungamvumela ngeke. Avuma umagogo siye and then manje when times goes on sengihlala ngapha ke bhuti, nayi le nyoka sengiyizwa manje siswini, iyaphila physically. Khumbula bekuyinto ngathi iyanyamalala umoya kanje, but manje iyaphila bhuti. Ngihleli nawe kanje inenyoka la, ukuthi ibuyaphi yakabani angazi muntu mina la, and angihluphi umuntu, anginandaba, ngiziphilela nje impilo yami. You understand? Ukuthi kwenziwani ngalento I don't know. Hayi manje iyangilimaza bhuti, hayi manje iyangilimaza, ngiyabona seyizongibulala no, and iyakhula. Angilali uqamba manga, angilali, ulala kancane phaphana, iloku yenza into zayo, iyaphansi yaphezulu, nokuthi yenzani I don't know. You understand? Angilali, angifuni uqamba manga, angilali. Isisimo enginaso ke mfowethu, isimo sale nyoka engingayazi ukuthi ibuya kubani, izokwenzani, phezu kwabantu engingabazi. And angisumuntu ogcwele ilokishi. Ngisenzela into zami, ngenza lokho engikwenzayo mina ngibuye ngihlale. Ngenze lokho engikwenzayo ngibuye ngihlalele. Ngizibhekele ama-podcast kanje. Uyabo? So ngaleyo situation ke my brother, isitory sami sinjalo ke bhuti.
So Dlem, uma sesibala iminyaka isinesikhathi esingakanani uphila nayo lento?
I think it's 3 years now.
3 years.
Stress manje. Stress manje. Ngoba bengayinaki iqale ukuziveza this year kahle kakhulukazi. Iqale ukuziveza this year. Nalesa sikhathi since yangena bengangihluphi benganalutho bengathi anginani bengiright. Iqale ukuziveza kahle this year. And ukuze ngibone ukuthi isikhona ngibambe ngaleya engihluphe ngapha ema7 njengoba ngisho. Le yangikhiphe ema7 kula kuqale khona kwasuka yonke into. Then ase ngifila this thing. Yabo. Into efana naleyo ke phela. Sometimes inokungivala umoya. Unengaphefumuli. Iyahamba nje la emzimbeni yasekhulile. Sometimes izohlala ngapha ngakuma kidney, sometimes ize ngapha ngakublood, sometimes ize la enkabeni. Mara siyaboxa mina ngiyashaya. Ngoba iyangilimaza. Nginokuyimora nami ukuthi hayi khona. Into efana naleyo ke bro. Ngihlushwa ile nyoka engayazi ukuthi yakabani.
Somntu njengoba usufikile ke angeke ngibuzeke uma ubhekile ukuthi usizo mhlambe thina that we can offer ngaba usizo lonjani.
Yeah, usizo bhuti engilicelayo. Mangathola ukusizakala ngalisithi. Uphume lento. Ngabonga kakhulu. Because as ubona ngumuntu ohamba ilife yami ngiyayiphila ngiacceptile akunankinga akunanix ngiphila nayo inzima kunjani but ngiyakhopha ngiright. But manje angisakhoni ngoba sekunalisi. Angisakhoni total. The worst part yakhula. Asisalingani. Angisakhoni nokudla right. Angikho mkhulu emzimbeni kangaka but angisingaka. Angikho ngaka. Usizo ngizolicela ukuthi mangathola ukusizakala bhuti kuphume this thing. Angaba right.
So lang ake sithi kuhlehlela emuva kancane.
Yeah.
Mhlambe la singaqala khona ukuthi imizamo osuyenzile wena njengomuntu odinga usizo ngaphambi kokuthi ufike la kwiSoweto Podcast. Mhlambe kungaba yipi nokuthi kuhambeke kanjani ngaleyo mzamo.
Yeah. No, imizamo engingayizama. Kunenye inyanga ngareferela usisi wami yaseMalawi Mabasha. Yathi izongisiza futhi. Anginikeza izinto. Asizoyibulalela ngaphakathi and then yabona ngaziphuza izinto. Kunalokho ngathi yanona. Yabona mangiphuza lezi zinto hayi lapho ngathi ngenza fresh. Ula ingihlukumeza impela ke lapho. Akwenzakalanga lutho. Ngithethe treatment yakhe ngayiqeda akwenzakalanga lutho. And then kungekudala I think it's last month or last month. Khona enye inyanga futhi eke saya kuyo. Ile nyanga lezi laba bhuti abadonsa izinto ngomlomo angazi noma uyabazi.
Abadonsa izinto ngomlomo.
Yeah, it's like if una something emzimbeni uyidonsa like kanje.
Hayi bosula ngiyaqala kuyizwa mina nami.
Serious. Saya kuya muntu mina ngiya nga same situation angithi. Mangifika lapha inyanga yabantu yakhipha amaplastiki, yakhipha amankinobha amakhulu, yakhipha iy'khiya nani bhuti. Uyabona? Yakhipha nje into eziningi la emzimbeni. Uvela kucavuze nje kuphume something.
Ziphuma kuwe lezo zinto.
Ziphuma kimi. Uthi into ezifakwa abantu. Since ngisesemncane. Shuthi abantu bayalahlela. Olahlelo kwakhe ulahlelo kwakhe. Lona ufako kwakhe angaphumeleli. Lona ufako kwakhe angaphumeleli. Yabo. So kwaphuma zona kuphela but lena isahleli. And mina bengiye ngalento kahle. Angizazi lezi ngizibonela la mina mayizikhipha le anyawo. Yimizamo sengizamile wamanje.
So 2 people that you've seen already. Engazange ibe nomphumela kuloko ufuna ukusizeka kuko.
Yeah. Naye wanginikeza izinto zokuphuza. Ukuphuzile kodwa kusafa.
Yeah, no. Hey, Solanga, uyabona into maye kanje Solanga idinga ukuthi sibukisise ngoba as you have mentioned ukuthi now you've been to 2 traditional healers, I'd like to believe.
Yeah.
And it didn't yield any results. Well, it did, but not the positive ones that you were expecting.
Yes.
So, just to get guidance from you, Solang, I think it is very important to ask this as well so that we know go to the search ingabe isihambela ngakuphi. Are you saying at the moment ukuthi noma ulipho usizo it's acceptable, noma I've tried usizo on this side, now I'm seeking to try a different perspective yosizo, mhlambe ithi into njengamasonto, or maybe the question should then be ukuthi emasontweni bungakazami mhlambe noma you don't find it as an appealing type of assistance that you'd like to engage kuyo mhlambe?
Ya ngingazama kwelinye isonto but still kwaphana. Ngingazama kwelinye isonto. Ngareferela umunye ubaba thaya. Uzosizakala lapho. But azange ngisizakale. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi buti ayikho into engiyikhethayo ukuthi ngifuna umthandazi noma yini. Nje into engiyicelayo mangathola umuntu ozokhona ukuyikhipha ukuthi uyinyanga noma uyini sekulunge konke futhi mangaphuma neclient. Ozokhona ukuyisusa. Yiloko nje.
Okay, so long. Let's try and forge way forward. So this thing happened on the first place la waqala khona ukuyoqasha.
Yes.
Right. So that house it's still there, that family it's still there.
Yeah, basesekhona.
Okay. Nazo zonke into wayibona lapho zisasekhona.
Ngiyacabanga.
Khona like Aslam la Rockville.
La White City. Khona la White.
La White City like Aslam, Sekaslam. White City Rockville that one is now next Sekaslam.
Yes.
Like Kenza la.
Exactly but.
Yeah, umkhenza kashawo yakhuza.
Yeah.
Bafethu lapha emakhaya. Yeah, nalo udaba ujama uze ngalo namhlanje. Kuningi man. Hayi kuningi kuyenzeka. And it sounds very impossible if you haven't experienced into efana njengale. Yeah. It sounds very, it's like a myth man. Yazi ungasho ukuthi hayi sika usolanga uxoxa ingalekwane.
Yeah.
Ayikho nje lento ayikhuma amahlawo yazi ukuqhuba isikhathi nje angithi podcast esibona ngazathi senesiqhubisa isikhathi cha. What we are saying ukuthi bafethu makungakenzeki kuwe, it will sound like a joke or it will sound like a myth or just a story and he's a good storyteller. I don't think so. I really don't believe that. Even for the fact that you're even trying to think so hard. Ukuthi now the solution to this because it's already happened. So now uyasho solanga ukuthi uphila nayo lento lengaphakathi emzimbeni wakhe. So now the question in my head and probably in your head is ukuthi how does a snake live inside of a person? It can. Because it's a spiritual thing. Once you understand the spiritual aspect of things, then you'll know ukuthi yes, it's true. We do have moving objects. Ngaba iqoqo, ngaba unogwaja, ngaba i-crocodile, ngaba i-buffalo, ama-apetito kugcwele konke esiswini. Remember the things of the spirit are not physical. They are understood by those who live in the spirit. So meaning usolanga needs the right person in the spirit realm angakhona ukuyi-identify and then deal with the issue straight to the core. So ngenzeka mhlawumbe ukuthi at the end you might be the one uthi hatebe mageza usolanga ushentweni wenze kahle wakhuluma. This is what this platform has been built or has been established to do. Yeah. So to podcast is the mouthpiece of Soweto Bafethu. So it's surprising, but not entirely surprising. Kuze indaba njengale yakababa Solanga. We do encounter such things. I'm sure you have encountered such things. But on the other hand, I know there is always a solution to each and every problem under the sun. There is a solution. So into engayisho ke ngalesikhathi bafethu ukuthi yeah, wherever there's answer and there's a solution for ujama lamajam, you know how to contact us, you know where to find us bafethu. I know the helper, it's there, it's watching us as we speak. So Jama, cha buti hayi empilweni inkani ngithanda ukusho ukuthi hey ukuphokophela kwakho, as you said ukuthi awuhluphe umuntu kokunye ukungahluphi umuntu kwakho yiko lokho kungikwatisayo.
Exactly.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Uyadla ngidla yazi kwasho omunye ubaba esebenza naye lapho wathi yazi uyazi hade ukuthi uyakhona ukuthi umuntu kuquba kumona kwathi ukuthi mangabe isikhaftini sakho sinenyama ufake beef Monday, ufake chicken Tuesday, ufake steak Wednesday, ufake yonke inhlobo yena afake ikhabishi Monday to Friday. Athi mkwatise leyo nto le usuyisusile. Impumelelo yakho Jama ingaqhubekisa umona ngakunina. It's a war already. It's war already. Ukuthi uphathe isikhaftini esinenyama Monday to Friday, esami sinekhabishi Monday to Friday. I know kusho ukuthi lo msebenzi so akunaqiniso. We can't be working the same department. Uphathe steak, uphathe chicken, uphathe fish, uphathe beef, holy 3,500 C2.
Yeah.
Akumele ngabe holy 3,000, akumele ngabe usebenza la mosonje. Khona lokushamanzi mina ngithi ikhabishi bese sekwenzeka lento ezenzekayo Jama.
Yes.
So but there's always a solution. Engusho ukuthi yes man, I must admit ukuthi yokuphokophela kwakho Jama. Your resilience. 3 years living with this thing.
Yes.
No, you will receive double for your portion. For your trouble, you will receive double for your trouble. There's always a solution. I still say I maintain my words because I believe ukuthi konke okushoyo, you know, there's what we call a law of attraction. What you permit with your mouth, it's what you attract.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ngiyabonga ukuthi ufike Jama. All that I can say mina ukuthi don't give up. help has come. As you said, look, bafethu lapha emakhaya ubaba Jamu ushilo ukuthi in however way where he can get assistance, as long as he gets assisted. So you and I, we cannot judge. We can never ever be found judging ukuthi hayi Sipho, what if, look, until you get into that situation, yeah, gulela umntwana, gulelo ingane ikhala ubusuku nemini every single day, or let it happen to you, then you'll understand. Would mangithi any type of help that I can get. It's the man himself, he said it with his own mouth, as long as azosizakala. So wherever you are, the helper yakababa Jama siyacela ukuthi sicela usazise, uxhumane nathi, and then we can see how best you can help ubaba Jama, and then we'll bring a testimony yakhe ubaba. Mfundisi owazi umsebenzi, or you might know a pastor who's good, or you might know someone who will really help uJama. Would like you to reach out to us, bafethu. Yeah, but I can still say this, there is always a solution to every problem. Once you become a problem solver, you'll always think positive. In anything enzakala, you'll always be positive and optimistic. Good to know. I may enjoy for the night, but joy comes in the morning. So with that being said, to Sipho Hatebe Soto podcast, we're speaking about Bafethu Ragena Ratlatamla Raberekun. Bafethu, our helpers are all, our destiny helpers are out there, and they're waiting for us to speak. So Bab Jama has spoken. So his destiny helpers, we ask you to reach out to us, so that as Osizakana, and then as a Konmutabu Steli testimony, Uguti, how it had happened, he will deal with that. All that he needs to be assisted. Then the rest will deal with us. Try the podcast for the show. Santana Buffett. Ayoma, we are out. Jamala Macham. Sabong. Yeah, we don't give up. We never give up.
Phambili kula sekho.
Family will say, thank you, Buffett. Ayoba.